So you can now deposit your Toma token you've earned so far into Bitget account. So the information is Toma pre-deposit now open on Bitget. So and not only that, you can actually earn, they said if you deposit now, you can earn up to $5 to $100 worth of Toma from a total price pool of about $200 worth of Toma. So the deposit is open now. You can now deposit now. So what you need to do is to proceed to your Tomato account. So from there you click on assets. You can see assets down below. So when you get to the assets section, you're going to see the token you've earned so far. Then the first one is deposits to sets, which is to Bitget exchange, and based on what is here now, is open now. Then it closes on the 18th of December. Then the second option here is the Bitget wallet Lite. It opens 19th of December. So you can claim now to the first one. So you click on go here. So when you tap on go, you just skip the staking options. You skip. Then here you are going to see option. It says claim to Bitget. You click on next. So when you click on next, from here now you can now click on your deposit. You can click on maximum. That's if you want to withdraw everything, or just select the amount you want to withdraw. Then the next thing is for you to go to your Bitget account, then copy your Bitget UID. So you are going to go to your Bitget account. So at the top left corner, you are going to type click that. They are going to see your UID. You copy, then here you paste it. Then the second option, which is address. If you look at that address, they wrote up to. So what you need to do is to go to your Bitget account. Then when you go there, you click on add funds. So when you click on add funds, so from add funds, you click on deposit to crypto. So from deposit to crypto, you are going to select search for APTO or APT. So when you search for APT, which is APTO, then from here you can see your address. So you are going to copy the address, then put it here, you paste it here. So when you are done, you click on submit. And for those of you still wondering, what about the remaining 30% that they're still going to airdrop? So we are going to wait until snapshot takes place on the 18th of this month, December. Then after that, you have the opportunity to also make a withdrawal. You get the point. So let's flow with the flow. We'll keep updating you on what is actually happening. So do well to like, subscribe, and more importantly, make sure you join my Telegram channel. Link in the description of this video. You will love it. See you next time for more exciting updates.